The world of manufacturing is undergoing a revolution, and it's all thanks to 3D printing. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a process where objects are created by adding layers of material on top of each other. This is in contrast to traditional manufacturing methods, which involve removing material from a larger piece. 3D printing has already had a profound impact on the manufacturing industry. It has made it possible to create complex and intricate designs that were previously impossible to produce. In addition, 3D printing has made it easier and more affordable for designers to create prototypes and test out new ideas before committing to large-scale production. But 3D printing has the potential to do much more than just create prototypes. It could fundamentally change the way we think about manufacturing. For example, 3D printing could make it possible to produce customized products on a large scale. This means that products could be tailored to the specific needs and preferences of individual customers, without adding significant costs. 3D printing is also being used in the medical field to create implants and prosthetics that are tailored to a patient's unique anatomy. This has the potential to improve patient outcomes and reduce the risk of complications. Additionally, 3D printing can help reduce waste and lower the environmental impact of manufacturing. Since 3D printing only uses the material needed to create an object, there is less waste generated compared to traditional manufacturing methods. The possibilities of 3D printing are truly endless. It can be used to create everything from intricate jewelry to entire buildings. In fact, there are already companies that are using 3D printing to produce cars and other large objects. And 3D printing is not just limited to industrial applications. It is becoming increasingly accessible to consumers, with affordable 3D printers available for home use. As 3D printing technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more changes in the manufacturing industry. So, get ready for a revolution in design and manufacturing, because 3D printing is here to stay.
大家好，我们来复习影片的英文单字。Manufacturing 这个单字的意思是制造业，它指的是将原材料或零部件转化为成品的过程及产业。例如 ，Manufacturing plays a vital role in the economy of many countries。这句话的意思是制造业在许多国家的经济中发挥着重要作用。Layer 这个单字的意思是层次，用来描述事物中的不同层次或分层的结构。例如 ，The 3D printer adds one layer on top of another to create the object。这句话的意思是3D 印表机在另一层上面添加一层来创造物体。Profound 这个单字的意思是深远的，用来描述思想、感情、知识、影响等方面的深远性。例如 ，The invention of electricity had a profound impact on the way manufacturing was done。这句话的意思是电力的发明对制造业的发展方式产生了深远的影响。Prototype 这个单字的意思是原型，指一个初步或原始的版本，通常用作开发和设计新产品或系统的起点。例如 ，Before starting large-scale production, designers usually create a prototype to test their ideas。这句话的意思是在开始大规模生产之前，设计师通常会创造一个原型来测试他们的想法。 Fundamentally. Fundamentally. 这个单字的意思是根本性的，用来表示一个情况或行为在根本上或彻底的发生或改变。例如 The invention of the Internet fundamentally changed the way we communicate and access information. 这句话的意思是，网际网络的发明从根本上改变了我们沟通和获取资讯的方式。Tailored. Tailored. 这个单字的意思是量身定做的，用来描述特定的物品或服务根据个人需求或要求而定制或调整。例如 Custom-made suits are tailored to fit the body of the individual who will wear them. 这句话的意思是，定制的西服是根据将要穿的人的身体量身定做的。Prosthetic. Prosthetic. 这个单字的意思是义肢，通常用于医疗领域，描述那些为失去部分或全部肢体的人提供的人工装置。例如 After losing his leg in a car accident, John was fitted with a prosthetic limb that allowed him to walk again. 这句话的意思是，在一次车祸中失去腿后，约翰被安装了一个义肢，使他能够再次行走。Waste. Waste. 这个单字的意思是废弃物，指的是不再有用的物质或资源，通常是由人们产生并需要妥善处理的。例如 Recycling and reducing waste are important to protect our environment. 这句话的意思是，回收和减少废物对保护我们的环境很重要。Jewelry. Jewelry. 这个单字的意思是珠宝、首饰，用来描述由贵重金属、宝石和其他珍贵材料制成的装饰品。例如 She designed and created her own jewelry line. 这句话的意思是，她设计并创建了自己的珠宝系列。Accessible. Accessible. 这个单字的意思是可得到的，用来形容可以轻易接触、获得或使用的事物。例如 Nowadays, information and knowledge are more accessible than ever before. 这句话的意思是，如今资讯和知识比以前更容易获得。以上就是今天的单字介绍，希望这些单字能够帮助大家提高英语能力，谢谢大家。